Welcome to my 1:400 scale model airport. In today's video I will be building a part of a new main terminal. What you see here is the 3D printed terminal I created about 2 years ago. I believe this 3D printed terminal has some really cool features. The coolest being the interior lighting, though it is time for something new. When the team of Algo Laser reached out to me whether I wanted to test a new laser of theirs, I saw it as a great challenge and opportunity to build a new airport terminal. In this slow-paced video I will show you step by step how I create this terminal, and in the end give my opinion on how useful a laser cutter and engraver machine is for airport diorama building. Enjoy the video! I think I was able to create a stunning looking terminal. All the ideas I had in mind I was able to execute with the laser machine. The laser was able to cut and engrave really detailed and tiny elements. For example, the seats in the waiting area and the background with all of the branding. Furthermore, I found the laser machine to be very user friendly. It was easy to set up and assemble. And even though I ran into some issues the first few times laser cutting, the Algo Laser team was really helpful and helped me out with the right cutting parameters. Finally, my recommendation on whether a laser machine is handy to use for model airport diorama building. In one way, using the laser machine I felt a little bit limited, as you can either laser cut or engrave on different kinds of materials, though you cannot create any wavy shapes like I did with my previous terminal. With a 3D printer you have even more freedom to create what you want. Therefore, if you're doubting between a 3D printer and a laser engraver for your model airport, I would definitely recommend a 3D printer. Though, as an extra, and if you have the budget, I can definitely recommend a laser engraver for both your model airport and also other cool projects around the house. I hope you like this style of slow-paced content. Comment down below if you did so, and also let me know whether I should continue this terminal project, and leave some suggestions of things I can add to the terminal down below. Thank you for watching to this video. Please consider to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.